Good day, I am Carangelo A. Capuno, age 19, came from Idiretso Street, Subadanao City, Cebu. I am currently a BSTPE 2-day student. The reason I take up this course is because I think that this course fits perfectly with my skill set, abilities, and such about like doing logical things and solving problems. Sunod na, okay? Sige.
Okay.
So my motto in life is G na lang. And then from my sports or hobbies is solving problems when I get bored, and also I also play some ML and volleyball when I can't play them. And then for my hidden talent, I don't know if this is a hidden talent, but I can solve a Rubik's Cube, and also I can teleport.